Alright guys, we just finished building this jump. Nice little step up. You land up on top of this hill. We got a little path cleared out. Pretty big, honestly. Let's see if I can step back, get you guys a better view. It looks a little bit smaller on the camera, but there's all the dirt we took out up there, over there. So, pretty sweet. Now I'm gonna get some clips. Okay guys, well there you go. It's getting dark out. Sun's going down. But the jump held up really good. No rut even in it, just a line. If you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.